This is a Cascade 350 toboggan. It's kind of the Ferrari of ski patrol sleds. You can see we have the handles in front, chain rope. Chain rope is hooked to the ring so it can move up and down, okay, and the little clip. This toboggan is rigged in the chain up position. That's the way we run it when it's empty. It's also the way we run it under ordinary conditions, but you'll drop the chain in conditions where it's icier and you need a little more brake. When we release the ring, clip it back onto the rope, the ring can run down and the chain goes under the sled. Let's take a look at the control surfaces of the Cascade 350. You can see that the big long aluminum fins here come all the way up to the front. That's why it's called long fin. It's a little deeper here at the other end. This is where the weight goes when the front of the sled is lifted. The other control surface actually is this corner right here, which acts as a keel, especially in deep snow. Now when the sled is rocked over, the downhill fin and this corner all dig into the snow and keep the sled from sliding downhill. The tail rope hooks into the back and it can go on either side. In a rescue situation, you may prefer to have it rigged on one side or the other. You'll want it on the uphill side to keep the sled from rolling downhill. The Cascade 350 toboggan can run with either the handles or the rope. When you're running with the rear handles in, you take the handles, you put them in, you may have to move in and out a little bit to get the holes to line up. Run the pin around the outside so the pin goes from the inside to the outside. This keeps you from ripping your pants up when you go in close. Make sure they're good and tight so they don't pop out.
This is the Cascade Model 100. It's the most popular sled in the world today. It is one of the best single operator sleds and works in much the same way as the Cascade 350 and Crystal sleds that we'll be showing you in the rest of this video. The one important difference is that when you run to the accident site, the handles will be unlocked so the sled can absorb terrain. Once you load the patient into the sled, the handles must be locked with these locking mechanisms. They need to be applied and securely locked, which gives you much greater control on the sled as you go down the hill. The important thing to remember is the phrase lock and load. Lock when the sled is loaded. There's a chain brake on this sled as well. It works in much the same manner as it does on the Model 350. When you need additional braking, unclip the chain rope, let the rope slide through and underneath, let the chain deploy underneath the bow of the sled. And it works exactly as the chain brake does on the Model 350.